So they got some use, but what are they? Well, we take an axis that we're going to rotate around. So we're going to define this as a vector x, y, z. And then we take an angle that we want to rotate around that axis. So what does this then look like? Well, the obvious thought would be that we can just write x, y, z angle. But it turns out that that doesn't work out really well. Also, observation, angles involve a lot of cosine and sine, and those are expensive. So we want to avoid doing those operations as much as we possibly can. So what happens if we pre-compute sine and cosine, and then we just bake that into our representation? Well, instead of just writing this straight, we're going to write x times the sine of the angle times y times the sine of the angle, then z times the sine of the angle, and then the cosine of the angle. But technically I'm lying. This will work, but for it to work properly for rotating vectors, you need to be storing angle over 2.